So today I'm testing out, or I'm checking out a new property which I was warned about, saying that it needs a bit of work done, but it's in such an amazing location. So I'll just give you a little tour of what it's like. So as you come in, it's not going to win any awards for looks. Just covered with some sort of tank, and then pipe yet stuff. Floor, obviously all the carpet's been ripped up, but underneath it's just some kind of dust all over the place. This is okay. No lights in there. Very dark, but that's quite interesting. It's supposed to be the bedroom. Look at where somebody's bed was. Let's see their head area. Okay, all fine in here. Turning on the lights. Looks like a bit of repair work going on there. Bathroom. Bits of repair work going on everywhere there. So it's, yeah, definitely not winning any awards. But again, from a kind of property developer's point of view, they could do loads. And then this is what I love. Okay, as we come in here, we are in the roof space of 2A Dean Path, which is in a very historical part of Edinburgh. Which, check out your little circle window up here. And there's the kind of old school, there's what we call the Dean Village down there. And that's the Water of Leith going along. And it's a super tourist spot, so you'll just see tourists all the time out the front taking photos of themselves all around here. But yeah, it was so cool to be in the roof space of this building. And it's like, we're actually properly that, like these stones are older than any building in America, probably. And just like, that's very cool. Needs a paint job, needs a little bit of TLC, needs a new kitchen, new bathroom, just some investment, maybe new windows. Not actually brave enough to open that window, just in case that all goes wrong. Can we look out these windows? Here, get a view all the way over to, that's the Dean Bridge over there. Awesome, just, yeah. This is very cool. I just think this is very cool, having this as a place. Maybe just completely open that up, probably a bit difficult, turn it into a living room, kitchen area. And what a cool place to hang out. And then, yeah, just put in some new carpet, new paint job, make the floors a little bit more solid so they're less creaky. And you are in one of the most historic parts of Edinburgh, in one of the most historic buildings, in the actual roof space. Oh, I just think you could do something with this. Like, it reminds me of like a ski chalet or something. You have like skis on the walls, snowboards, motorbike. That'd be pretty cool. Yeah, just thought I'd show that to you because it's really cool. And if I had the money, I would definitely buy it if I knew how much work was needed in all the repairing of the damp and the leaks. But very cool.